My name is Becca, and my CIE story is collecting mist in a cloud forest in Costa Rica. I wanted to do a study abroad, and I wanted to study either in South America or somewhere like Spanish speaking, somewhere tropical. And this is like the best summer program that I came across. Right now, I think we're still in the biological station's property, and then we'll keep going up and we'll reach the cloud forest, and then we'll get into the Monte Verde reserve, and yeah, it's just a complete change in ecosystem up there. They excrete this cyanide, like this little black stuff. Sometimes they'll just excrete as like a defense. It smells just like almonds. So I'm collecting through fall, which is rainwater that passes through the canopy, and I'm looking at the effects of epiphytes on the nutrient load in that through fall. So I'm comparing a couple of different epiphyte communities: ferns, bromeliads, no epiphytes, and a mix of ferns and bromeliads. And this community right here is made up of a mix of ferns. So I just placed my container so that it would pass through the ferns and then be collected. And so my way of getting the water is simply pouring it up. If it's been raining a lot, I'll go up the next day. If it hasn't been raining, I'll go up at least every 48 hours to check the catchment containers. And this is my 6th day coming up here. Okay, so now that we have the samples, I'm going to analyze them for pH, what the pH is, the phosphate content, and the ammonium content. Those will really tell me what available nutrients there are. Nitrogen and phosphate are really key nutrients in, for plants and for the nutrient cycling in the canopy. So those will tell me like what big differences there are. From what I've read, epiphyte communities can really contribute to the nutrient load. Like from at least the studies that I've looked at, the phosphate levels should increase, and so I'll have to compare my results to those to see if they also show the same correlation, or if there's something different that people are overlooking. I feel like it's already helped me a lot. Just being able to set up an experiment, to go out into the field, set up all my containers, and then to come back and collect data every single day and analyze it and really start to look at trends and look at, you know, what does this mean in the big picture, you know, what is all this data telling me. I think it's something that's going to really help me, at least when I'm analyzing other data someday down the road in grad school or out in the profession.